Hey guys, and welcome. If you're looking to dive into the world of digital marketing, but you aren't quite sure, where to start, you've come to the right place. I'm Richard, and today we're going to talk about the basics of digital marketing. We'll explore, what digital marketing is, why it's crucial for your business, and essentially how you can get started with some fundamental strategies. So let's jump right into it. So first things first, what is digital marketing? In simple terms, digital marketing refers to any marketing effort that uses electronic devices or the internet. Businesses leverage digital channels such as, search engines, social media, email, websites to connect with, current and prospective customers. Um, why is digital marketing so important? Well, in today's digital age, everyone's online, and by implementing digital marketing strategies, you can reach a larger audience more efficiently and more precisely than you could, through traditional methods. Plus, digital marketing provides, measurable results, meaning you can see exactly, how well your campaigns are performing and just as needed and be able to adjust as needed. So let's talk a little bit about the key components of digital marketing. There's areas you'll likely want to familiarize yourself with as you start your marketing journey. So there's SEO, that's search engine optimization. This is all about improving your website's visibility when people search for your products or services related to your business on Google and other search engines. There's content marketing. This involves creating and promoting content assets for the purpose of, generating brand awareness, traffic, growth, lead generation, and customers. And there's social media marketing, essentially uses the platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, X, uh, to promote your brand and content and engage with your audience and increase sales. There's PPC, which is pay per click, and that's essentially a method to drive traffic to your website by paying essentially Google every time your ad is clicked. There's email marketing, which engages with your customers through email to promote your content, discounts and events, as well as direct people, toward your website essentially with email marketing. So, getting started with digital marketing doesn't have to be complicated, but there's a few tips. So one is to identify your goals. What do you want to achieve with your digital marketing efforts? Is it more brand awareness? Is it more sales? Your strategies will depend on your goals essentially. So it's important to define your audience. Who are your ideal customers? What are their interests? What are they interested in? What are their demographics? What are their online behaviors? And knowing this will help you target your marketing a lot more effectively. So, choose your tools and platforms, based on your audience and goals and decide, which platform essentially to focus on and, what tools you might need to manage and measure essentially your clients' campaigns or your campaigns. And then creating engaging content is important, whether it's a blog post, social media updates, emails. Make sure your content is engaging and relevant to the interests of your audience. So that's a wrap on the basics of digital marketing. I hope this gives you a good starting point to understand the landscape and begin crafting your strategies. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comments below, and I'd love to help out. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. If you found it helpful, stay tuned for more insights on how you can excel in the digital world. Thanks for watching.